Hey guys, and welcome back to another video about Pokemon Go. So in this video we'll be going over how to train your character in Pokemon Go, how you can level up that, then how you can train your Pokemons in Pokemon Go, and finally how you can use the battle training in Pokemon Go. So let's start off with how to train your character in Pokemon Go. So this is how you can gain XP and how your player can level up in the game. Here's some different things you can do. So first of all, you can battle against other players or AI trainer opponents. Next, you can send gifts to other players. You can catch Pokemon, so you get XP for each Pokemon you catch and also for the first catch of the day and if you have a 7-day streak. Use finesse when catching Pokemon, curveballs, catching on the first throw and well-placed throws will earn bonus XP. So these are all things you can gain XP with and then level up your character. Next, you can participate in raids, you can spin PokéStops and gyms, you can hatch eggs, and you can use lucky eggs. So this will give you XP and then you can level up your character. Next, let's go over how to train Pokemon in Pokemon Go. So to level up your Pokemons, you need Stardust. So whenever you catch a Pokemon, you'll receive some Stardust. Typically, this is around 100 Stardust. You'll get a bonus for the 7-day streak. And you also need Candies. These are gained from catching Pokemons and any of its evolutions. For example, you can get a Charmander candy from catching a Charmander, a Charmeleon, or a Charizard. So you can gain Stardust and Candies, and this will level up your Pokemons. So if you want to level them up and train them, you find the Pokemon you want to level up in your inventory, then click Power Up, and the game will ask you how many levels you want to power up your Pokemon, and then you can hit the plus button until as many as possible, and that will level up your Pokemon. To evolve the Pokemon, hit the Evolve button, and once you have the required number of Pokemon candies, follow the steps, and that's it. So you can evolve them by using candies, or you can level them up by using the Stardust that you get from either walking around with them or by just catching Pokemon, going to stations, etc. Next, how can you use battle training in Pokemon Go? So this works until you are level 10. So this is just some practice. This tab appears in the nearby menu until you're level 10 next to the Pokemon and raid tabs, and then you can choose to fight any of the 3 trainers present just to gain some experience, and you get rewards once per day. I hope this helped you out. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if it did, and comment down below if you have any more questions.